He was failing every class and losing all hope, until 5 simple lessons changed his life forever. Discover the secret to mastering your mind today. In a quiet town surrounded by green hills, there lived a boy named Ethan. He was a student at Riverdale High School. Ethan was just like any other teenager. He loved spending time with friends and watching the sky change colors at sunset. Life seemed simple from the outside, but deep inside, Ethan carried a heavy burden. He struggled badly with his studies. No matter how much effort he put in, lessons felt confusing and hard to remember. When he answered questions in class, some classmates laughed at him. Each laugh chipped away at his confidence. One afternoon, Ethan noticed his teacher, Mr. Reynolds, sitting quietly at his desk. Gathering his courage, he walked up to him. "Sir, I'm really bad at studying. I can't focus and I feel hopeless. Can you guide me?" he asked softly. Mr. Reynolds smiled gently. "Ethan, you're not alone. Let me share 5 simple lessons that can change how you learn." Lesson 1. Quiet the mind. Mr. Reynolds placed a jar of muddy water on the table. They waited. Slowly, the mud settled and the water became clear. "Your mind is the same," the teacher said. "When it's crowded with stress, nothing is clear. Before studying, close your eyes and focus on your breathing." Lesson 2. Stay in the present. The teacher lit a small candle. "Look at the flame," he said. "Keep your attention only here. Don't let your thoughts wander to the past or future." At first, Ethan's mind raced, but little by little his focus settled entirely on the light. Lesson 3. Understand, don't just memorize. Mr. Reynolds poured water over a sponge and a stone. The stone stayed dry, but the sponge soaked it up. "Be the sponge," he said. "Seek meaning, not just answers." Lesson 4. Learn in small steps. The teacher handed Ethan a thick piece of wood. "Try to break it." Ethan failed. Then Mr. Reynolds split it into small pieces which broke easily. Big goals become easy when divided. Study in small parts, take breaks, and return again. Lesson 5. Be consistent. Mr. Reynolds showed 2 pots. One was watered daily, the other was ignored. One had a healthy sprout, while the other remained dry. "Growth comes from consistency," he said. "Even 20 minutes every day is powerful. Make learning a daily habit." From that day on, Ethan followed every lesson. At first, change was slow, but week by week he noticed improvement. He could focus longer, lessons started to make sense. Fear faded and confidence took its place. His grades improved. Most importantly, he began to enjoy learning. Years later, Ethan grew into a successful and confident person. He often remembered that quiet afternoon when a teacher taught him how to believe in himself. And just like Ethan, if you are struggling, take that first brave step. Calm your mind, stay present, seek understanding, move in small steps, and practice every day. Because small efforts repeated daily can one day build a life of great success. If this story inspired you, share it with someone who needs hope. Don't forget to subscribe for more stories that can change lives. Until next time, stay patient and keep moving forward.